So we do see a lot of offsite manufacturers either integrating automation in their factories or thinking about integrating automation. One thing to mention is that at the end of the day, it's not about only the technology. It's about focusing on the business and the growth of the business. So the main goal is to increase capacity in the industry. So how we help offsite manufacturers is by simulating how this growth can happen, how the automation can be integrated within their businesses, both to de-risk the investment in automation technology, but also to make sure that it's fully aligned with the strategic goals of the business, where they want to expand, how their product varies, how the demand fluctuation is affecting what they do. So eventually, in summary, I think that the industry of site construction is moving towards automation, but we have to do it in a very considerate way of how these businesses operate and how the different business models make small but very critical differentiations in how the integration should happen. The first one is, I think, the complexity that comes with how to program robotics or how to work with automation technologies, and that is something that we at DataForm Lab are focusing on, to remove that complexity. So we provide software tools that automatically translate design into production information, both for manual production and for automated production, so both design production drawings and machine code or bill of materials and cutting lists. The second challenge, I would say, is utilization. How to make sure that when you integrate these technologies, you make the most out of them and you get the return on investment quite fast. So on that point, we provide tools for optimizing production schedules within the factories and optimizing resource allocation to make sure that dynamic bottlenecks are balanced out and eventually the capacity is maximized within the factory. I think these two would be the main obstacles on the daily basis that we are solving. On the larger picture, the perceived risks that are linked to integrating automation, mostly because offsite manufacturers might not have all the information or all the ways to compare and evaluate automation technologies, can be reduced by simulating how this integration is going to happen, how it affects the margins and the profitability and the throughput of the factory. And this is something that we also offer as a service at DataForm Lab, to make sure that the decisions are business-led and not just based on the technology trend. Robotics and automation can really help. In any case, they are not new technologies. They have revolutionized other industries, but their integration has to be done in a way that aligns with the business objectives.